This is the workstation through which I consider myself the responsible enough. This is the workstation through which I feel myself the strong enough. And this is the workstation through which I engage with the community, I communicate with the community, and I interact with the community. Here at this very radio station, we have number of students, the youth group from the diverse fields and from the diverse areas across Pakistan. We take them on board and we engage from pre to post productions according to their skill set, according to their passion, and according to their commitment for the community. So I would love and I would encourage everyone who's indeed have the passion for radio, for broadcasting, and those who strongly believe that this communication through voice will leave an impact rather than I mean more than anything else available in the field of media in the current era. Though many of us believe in the digital media platforms, the electronic media platforms, including television, but I firmly believe that the radio is still the only and exclusive platform to engage the community at the local level. So I would encourage everyone to please join us the cause and be on board with us to spread the word of peace, humanity, education, and awareness. Thank you very much. I believe the DW training program in 2026 would be very effective in order to get more my skills and my team skills in a manner that we can produce better quality and effective qualitative our content. So I'm really much excited. Thank you.